Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering facts. Note the GPU model, driver version, and the exact error text so you can compare results later. Next, power down and verify physical connections, cables, PCIe latch, and PSU rails, because loose hardware causes many errors. Once done, boot into safe mode or use a live USB to separate software issues from hardware faults. This makes the next steps faster and reduces guesswork by letting you test drivers without the full OS stack. You now remove the driver stack cleanly. Use a driver cleaner in safe mode to avoid leftover files and registry entries that can recreate the error. Then, install a fresh, compatible driver. Try the latest release first, and if instability appears, roll back to a proven older version because stability beats bleeding edge in troubleshooting. Make sure to update motherboard BIOS and GPU vBIOS only when the changelog mentions your symptom, since firmware updates carry risk and should directly address the problem. You finish by stress testing. Run a GPU benchmark for 10 to 30 minutes while watching temperatures, clock behavior, and system logs. This reveals thermal, power, or driver regressions. If you see overheating or throttling, lower power limits or apply a conservative undervolt and inspect thermal interface materials, because improving cooling often removes errors. Finally, if the issue remains, swap the card into another system or try a different GPU in your rig to definitively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.